Here are approaches to get thinner without diet or exercise. Eating your food gradually can help you feel all the more full with less calories. It is a simple method to get more fit and forestall weight acquire. More modest plates can fool your mind into believing you're eating more than you really are. In this manner, it's savvy to burn through undesirable nourishments from more modest plates, making you eat less. Adding protein to your eating regimen has been connected to weight reduction, even without practice or cognizant calorie limitation. On the off chance that you keep undesirable food sources on your counter, you are bound to have an impromptu tidbit. This is connected to expanded weight and heftiness. It's smarter to keep sound nourishments, like leafy foods, on display. Gooey fiber is especially useful in lessening hunger and food admission. This fiber structures gel that hinders processing. Drinking water before suppers may assist you with eating less calories. Supplanting a sweet beverage with water is especially gainful. Bigger bit sizes have been connected to stoutness and may energize the two youngsters and grown-ups to eat more food. Individuals who eat while diverted are bound to gorge. Focusing on your suppers may assist you with eating and shed pounds. Helpless rest and abundance stress may awkwardness a few significant craving-controlling chemicals, making you eat more. Sweet beverages have been connected to an expanded danger of weight acquire and numerous infections. Your mind doesn't enlist fluid calories as it does strong nourishments, causing you to eat more. Red plates may assist you with eating less undesirable nibble nourishments. This might be on the grounds that the shading red triggers a stop response.